Writing equations of functions. While the hiking, Devin's altitude rose 10 feet for every 5 minutes. Well, if he's doing 10 feet for every 5 minutes, that means he is hiking 2 feet per minute. Remember, there's the word per in there. That's important in a minute. Okay, after an hour of hiking, his altitude was 295 feet. Assume the relationship is linear. Find and interpret the rate of change. Okay, we just found the rate of change, and we interpreted it. He is hiking 2 feet per minute. We need to find the initial value. You're going to use the equation y equals mx plus b. Okay, so y is the final value, 295, equals an hour. I wasn't reading it. Okay, and remember, this is per minute. So an hour is 60 minutes plus b. So 295 equals 120 plus b. You take out 120. So 571. Okay, so that's the b. That is the initial value. In other words, we know it as the y-intercept form. So the equation for this would be y equals 2x plus 175. So Devin started at 175 feet and traveled, or I should say hiked, 2 feet per minute. Okay. A frozen dessert was placed in a freezer. Each hour, the word each, that tells you the slope. Each per and every indicates slope. The temperature dropped. Drop means negative. So we've got y equals negative 3x plus b. B is what it is originally. Okay, so now we keep reading. 3 hours later. So y equals, oops, sorry, let me keep reading that. The temperature was 32. So 32 equals negative 3. I'm sorry, that's 13, not 3. 13 times 3, because 3 hours later, plus b. So 32 equals negative 39 plus b. You add 39 to both sides, and you get 71. Okay, so that is your y-intercept. So your equation now is y equals negative 13x and a positive 71, sorry. So here's what all that means. The initial temperature was 71 degrees. And it dropped at a rate of 13 degrees per hour. Tyler charges his customers a weekly fee plus $5 every time he walks their dogs. 1 week he charged a customer, so here's the word every. So that indicates your slope. Remember, it's per each and every that indicate your slope. So it's y equals 5x plus b. Now we keep reading. 1 week he charged the customer $25 was the charge for walking the dog 3 times. Assume the relationship is linear. Find and interpret the rate of change and initial value. Okay, so the rate of change is 5 because that's the same as slope. $5 per walk. Now we got to figure out what the y-intercept was. 15 plus b. Subtract 15 on both sides. So we get 10 for b. So the new equation is y equals 5x and a plus 10. So what this means is Tyler's initial walking cost is $10. Okay, so that's his weekly fee that they were talking about. His weekly fee is $10, and then he's going to charge $5 every time he walks the dog on top of the $10.